Welcome learners to Form 3 Mathematics. We are looking at intersecting chords. So we look at number 1. You are told to find the length XB. So these two chords, learner, AB and CD, intersect at X. They intersect at X. This and this intersect at X. So what is the length of XB? XB there. So when two chords intersect inside learner, there is a relationship, and the relationship is that AX times XB is equals to CX times XD. Look at it again. AX times XB is equals to CX times XD. I write it. AX times XB is equals to CX times XD, just that. And therefore, learner, your AX is 4, multiplied by XB, this is what we want, is equals to CX is 3 times 8, learner. And so 4XB is equals to 24 divided by 4, and therefore XB, learner, XB is equals to 6 centimeters. So you just need to master that relationship. This times that is equals to this times that. Let us look at number 2, learner. We have two chords here, AB and CD, and they are intersecting outside. And the question is, find length BO. What is BO? Let us say that this is X. Let us give it letter X there. So how do we get BO? So what is the relationship? We talk of AO, learner, AO times BO is equals to CO, look at that, times DO. Yes, this relationship should be in mind. So AO times BO is equals to CO times DO, learner. Fix it in mind. So what is your AO? AO, learner, is 9 plus X. 9 plus X. So you come and write 9 plus X. Multiply by what? Multiply by BO, and BO is X. You come and fix it there. Is equals to CO, look at this, CO, which is 5 plus 4, which is 9, times DO, which is 4. Yes, from there now you remove the bracket, you get 9x plus x squared is equals to 36. You organize this is x squared plus 9x, bring this on this side, it becomes negative 36 is equals to 0. You end up with a quadratic equation which you now solve to get your x. So what is the product? What is the sum? The product is normally this, learner. I know you know this. And the sum is this coefficient of x. So which are these two numbers that you add to get 9 and you multiply to get negative 36? The numbers are 12 and negative 3. 12 times negative 3 to give you that. So these numbers are okay. Come and substitute them here. So x squared plus 12x minus 3x minus 36 is equals to 0. Higher, factor out x there. You get x plus 12 minus, factor out 3, you get x plus 12 is equals to 0. So from here, learner, this is a common bracket, so you write x plus 12 and you are left with x minus 3, and therefore you equate to 0. So this means that either x plus 12 is equals to 0 or x minus 3 is equals to 0. And therefore, learner, what is your x? Your x here gives you negative 12, here your x gives you 3. So the answer is this positive one because we are talking about length. So you ignore this. We don't have negative length. So our length BO is equals to 3 centimeters, Lana. So Lana, go and master this concept to do with intersecting chords. God bless you.